Hi, I'm Lindsay Carnett. I'm the CEO and president of Marketing Maven. Today we're at Sherwood Country Club in Thousand Oaks, California, and today is Media Day. So we've invited all of the local and national media to get a preview of what's to come during tournament week. We have some of the biggest names in golf that are here at Sherwood Country Club, and everybody's anticipation for that event is really exciting.
Well, whenever I have a question, Marketing Maven is there within like 30 minutes of an email being sent, which is really nice. Somebody works in news because we're always working on a deadline. We're fast paced. I've always had a good experience with everybody there, and it's nice to be able to come back every year, see the same faces when you're working a tournament and working an event, and you feel like there's some familiarity there. That's something I appreciate with Marketing Maven.
Marketing Maven has actually helped us in many ways. We don't have a staff. We basically, our board is all volunteers, and so we need help getting the word out. And that's where being able to work with them, to partner with them and talk to the people that are really the media sources within the community. The people help us get the word out so that more people know about it, and hopefully more people will show up and enjoy the Invesco QQQ Championship this year.
Some key media that we had out here today was Fox Sports Radio, as well as ABC7, KEY TV, and some of the national golf broadcast stations, as well as VC Reporter, VC Star.
So we're proud to call this place home. We're proud to host this event, and we hope that you get an opportunity to come out and watch some great players.
Anybody who's on the fence about doing public relations should realize that it's not just about getting one piece of media coverage here, it's about the whole picture. Think of public relations as a piece of your marketing mix, because we bring strategy to the mix and we bring our relationships to the mix, and that's what's the most valuable for any company looking to establish partnerships and get your hands out to your target demographic.